Starting a fitness journey is a powerful step towards a healthier and happier you. It's about making a conscious decision to invest in your well-being. This journey is a personal one, and it's unique to your individual needs and aspirations. Many people feel overwhelmed when they think about starting a fitness routine. They may worry about not being fit enough or not knowing what to do. These feelings are completely normal. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. It's crucial to acknowledge that the first step is often the hardest. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually work your way up. Embrace the challenges that come with starting something new. See them as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, consistency is key, and even small steps taken consistently can lead to significant results over time. Stepping into a gym for the first time can be intimidating. The moment you walk through those doors, you might feel a rush of anxiety. The unfamiliar environment, the sight of various machines, and the presence of people who seem to know exactly what they're doing can be overwhelming. You may even worry about being judged for your fitness level or not knowing how to use certain machines. These thoughts can make you second-guess your decision to join a gym in the first place. It's important to remember that these fears are often based on misconceptions. The reality is that most people at the gym are focused on their own workouts and are not paying attention to others. Many people in the gym are more than happy to help if you have questions. Whether it's a fellow gym goer or a staff member, there's usually someone willing to offer guidance. Gyms are filled with individuals at various stages of their fitness journeys. People of all shapes, sizes, and fitness levels go to the gym to improve their health and well-being. Remember, the gym is a space for growth and self-improvement. So take a deep breath, walk through those doors, and embrace the journey ahead. Gym anxiety is a common experience, especially for beginners. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit nervous or intimidated when you're first starting out. The key is to acknowledge these feelings and find ways to manage them. One effective strategy is to plan your first visit in advance. Familiarize yourself with the gym's layout by taking a tour or browsing their website. This will help you feel more comfortable and less overwhelmed on your first day. Another helpful tip is to start with a simple workout routine. Choose a few basic exercises that you feel comfortable with and focus on performing them with proper form. Don't try to do too much too soon. Remember to be kind to yourself and celebrate your small victories. Every workout is a step in the right direction. Focus on the progress you're making, no matter how small it may seem. Your journey, your pace. Focusing on personal progress. When you start going to the gym, it's easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to others. You might see people lifting heavier weights or running faster on the treadmill and feel discouraged that you're not at their level yet. However, it's crucial to remember that everyone's fitness journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others is counterproductive and can derail your motivation. Instead, focus on your own progress and celebrate your own achievements. Remember where you started and acknowledge how far you've come. Maybe you've increased the weight you're lifting, or you're able to run for a longer period of time without getting tired. Focus on setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Each time you reach a goal, no matter how small, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your success. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Finding your fitness why. Identifying personal motivation. Before you even step foot in a gym, it's crucial to identify your personal motivation for embarking on this fitness journey. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about understanding the deeper reasons that drive you. Why is fitness important to you? Is it about feeling better in your own skin, or is it about achieving a specific milestone? What are your reasons for wanting to get in shape? Are you looking to improve your health, boost your energy, or perhaps gain more confidence? Understanding your why will provide you with a strong foundation and fuel your commitment when challenges arise. It's this core motivation that will keep you going when the going gets tough. Your motivations could be numerous and varied. They might range from personal health to social reasons or even mental well-being. Perhaps you're driven by a desire to improve your overall health and well-being. Regular exercise can help you manage stress, improve your mood, and even enhance your sleep quality. Maybe you want to increase your energy levels, manage your weight, or reduce your risk of chronic diseases. These are all valid and powerful reasons to stay committed to your fitness routine. Some individuals are motivated by aesthetics. They might want to build muscle, lose fat, or simply feel more confident in their appearance. They might want to build muscle, lose fat, or simply feel more confident in their appearance. The physical changes can be a significant motivator for many. Others are driven by performance goals. They might be training for a specific sport or event, or they simply enjoy pushing their physical limits. The thrill of achieving a new personal best can be incredibly rewarding. Take some time to reflect on your personal motivations for pursuing fitness. Think about what truly matters to you and why you want to make this change. Write them down and keep them somewhere visible as a constant reminder of your why. This could be on your bathroom mirror, your fridge, or even as a note on your phone. This will serve as a powerful source of inspiration, especially on days when motivation wanes. Remember, your personal motivation is the key to your fitness journey. Setting smart goals, your roadmap to success. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to take it to the next level, having a clear plan is essential. Setting realistic and attainable goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track with your fitness journey. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus and become discouraged. This is where SMART goals come in. They provide a structured and clear path to follow, making it easier to stay committed and see progress. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element plays a vital role in crafting effective goals. Specific. Your goals should be clear and well-defined. The more precise you are, the easier it will be to focus your efforts. Instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," specify how much weight you want to lose. For example, aim to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Measurable? Make sure your goals are quantifiable so you can track your progress. This helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Instead of saying, "I want to eat healthier," set a goal to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. This way, you can easily measure your daily intake. Achievable? Your goals should be challenging yet attainable. Setting goals that are too difficult can lead to frustration and giving up. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic expectations. Instead, break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Start with small, manageable goals and gradually increase the challenge as you progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way to stay motivated. Relevant. Your goals should be meaningful to you and align with your personal motivations for pursuing fitness. This ensures that you stay committed and passionate about your journey. Time-bound. Set a specific time frame for achieving your goals. Having a deadline creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. This will create a sense of urgency and accountability. Knowing that you have a set time to achieve your goals can push you to stay on track. Examples of short-term goals could include going to the gym twice a week for a month, or being able to run for 20 minutes without stopping. These smaller goals build the foundation for larger achievements. Long-term goals might involve losing a significant amount of weight, running a marathon, or achieving a certain level of muscle mass. These goals require dedication and consistent effort over time. Remember, it's important to adjust your goals as needed. Flexibility is key to staying on track and not getting discouraged. Life happens, and sometimes you may need to reevaluate your goals and make adjustments. This doesn't mean you failed, it means you're adapting and staying committed to your journey. To help continue this journey, check out these other videos as you progress on your health and fitness adventure.